It looks awful, but it tastes pretty good. If you like shots like I do, I'm sure you've had the ABC shot, but I'm wondering today, does it Corona? This beer down to about top to middle of the C in the label. It's one of the more fun parts of the job. The A in the ABC shot is Amaretto, and in this house we drink De Serono. Why? Because that's what my wife likes, and I'm not a fool. 1 ounce. The B in the ABC shot stands for Bailey's, in other words, Irish cream. I use Carol Ann's because, quite frankly, it tastes better. It's supposed to be Bailey's if you want to be a purist. The perfect pour. The C in the ABC shot is Cognac, and we're going to use Hennessy. You could use Cavassier, it's up to you. Put a plug in here and invert to shake. Don't do it. It doesn't Corona, Mrs. Zamora. I'm still going to drink it though. I guess the proteins in the Irish cream don't agree with the beer, but I want to give it the old college try anyway. So before I do, slap that follow button for me. Oh dear God, be with me. It's actually not bad. It tastes like Amaretto and Corona.